Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Althea's Recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick recipe of preparing ice cream with very minimal ingredients at home. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, let's boil the milk. So I have used about 1 packet of fresh thick milk over here. While the milk is getting heated, take about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, add in some water and mix it well. Make sure there is no lumps in it. Once you see that the milk is about to boil, at this stage add in the corn flour mix that you have already prepared and add in required sugar. Adjust the sugar levels according to your taste. I have added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar here. Keep stirring continuously because once you have added corn flour, it starts getting stuck in the vessel. So keep continuously stirring. Now we have to bring the milk to 1/3 of its original level. So keep stirring until it reduces. The milk has to get very thick and creamy. Once you start seeing the milk getting thick, you will be getting a thick creamy consistency as shown in the video. So at this stage, turn off your flame and allow the milk to cool for some time. Now add about 4 tablespoons of whipping powder and add in some fresh chilled milk. You can also use the store-bought whipping cream. I did not have one, so I have used the whipping powder instead of the whipping cream. Use a blender and blend it well to a little thick consistency. Once you have reached the consistency, add in the prepared milk here to the mixture. Add in about 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and start blending. Blend it well continuously for at least 5 to 10 minutes until you get a thick, frothy kind of texture. The more you keep blending the mixture, the more thick and creamy you will be getting your ice cream. So just blend it well. So once the batter is done, cover it with a foil paper and leave it overnight to refrigerate. And yes, our super delicious vanilla ice cream is ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home, friends, and let me know your comments in the feedback section below. If you like my content, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon notification to receive updates on a regular basis. Meet you soon with another new interesting recipe. Until then, this is Angel signing off from Althea's Recipes.